Stampers, Diane Dimich here with DDStamps.com, and today I'm here to introduce you to one of the newest kits that I've gotten called By Your Side. This is a great kit. Let me switch my camera down. This is a great kit. It's By Your Side, and it's for those people who are dog and cat lovers, or those people in your life who are dog and cat lovers. The kits are fabulous. They come in this great box, which I love to use for storage in my stamp room. You get a stamp set. So this one has Best Friends Forever. I'll always be by your side. Here's to a true friend. You make my heart happy. You got a cat paw, a dog paw, a bone, and a fish. You also get an Old Olive ink spot in this kit, which are great. I'm actually going to pull my Old Olive ink pad because I prefer to save these for when I'm doing a project with Boys and Girls Club or the schools or whatever, wherever my stamping takes me. So I'll just go ahead and use my big pad. So when you get a kit and pull all this stuff out, including the instructions, these are the cards that you get. So in this particular kit, it makes 8 cards, and you can either do cats, dogs, or both, whatever you prefer, depending on the cat or dog lover in your house. So this kit, because it has a stamp set, it comes with a block. It comes with these great metallic heart embellishments. You get all your layers for your cards, some Stampin' dimensionals, some great envelopes that coordinate with the cards. Set this aside. You get your card bases. So 4 of these bases, a sheet of labels, 4 of these card bases, and then your die cuts. And so these are your cats and your dogs. And I actually heard through the grapevine that this dog in particular is one of the designers for Stampin' Up's dog. She designed this kit, and she did it with her dog in mind. So I'm just going to set those aside for now. And then you get the directions, which are right here, buried under everything. And these instructions actually walk you through what you need for each card. So if you either a dog or a cat, or a dog or a cat, and then the instructions for exactly how to stamp them and do them. So this is a really fun kit to put together. I'm just going to set those aside for now too. And I'm going to start with one of these cards. And then I need this die cut, which actually has a dash line, but it also has these 2 hearts, which I don't know if I need those hearts, but I might put them on the inside of my card. So you have this piece, you're going to have a label, you're going to have one of the metallic hearts, and then you're going to have a dog or a cat. So on this card, let's go ahead and make it. So I'm going to get my ink pad and my block. I think I'll make it a dog card. So I'll use the little dog paw, ink that up, and stamp this on my cardstock. You can see I got a little ink on there. I'm going to wipe that off before I get ink on everything. I'll set that aside for now. Then I'm going to use this piece here. And on this piece, I'm actually just going to use, was it adhesive? No, it was all dimensionals. Okay, so put dimensionals down here in the corners. Take that off. I'm going to add this to my card base. I'm going to add a dog on this one. I have both dog and cat lovers in my life, so I'll probably do a mixture of each just to have a little variety. So those, I get these little things, dimensionals papers everywhere. I'm going to add that dog. Oh my gosh, how stinking cute is that? Ah, I love it. All right, so then I'm going to pull in my labels. And I am going to look here. Let's see. I think I'll do You Make My Heart Happy. I still see some ink on my stamp here. Better. All right, so You Make My Heart Happy. I'm going to ink that up. Stamp it on my label. Pull that off. It dries almost immediately, and you get extra labels in case you mess up, which I've been known to do. Don't put it on upside down. I'm going to add my label to my card here. Cute. And then I'm going to add one of the metallic hearts. How cute is that? Really cute. It's really cute. And then you can stamp your envelopes to coordinate. So I'll stamp this one. So this here, we'll flip that around, and I'm going to put the paw in the middle of that. The paw that I use. Or I could do the bone. Maybe I'll do the paw in the bone. Because nobody likes naked envelopes. I might do the little bone too, just because it's kind of cute. So there you have it. There's your card and your envelope ready to go. You make my heart happy for the dog lover in your life. Of course, remember, you have 2 dogs to choose from too. So the next card that I'm going to do is the other card base. I'll use this base. And this time I'm going to do a cat. So I'll use the cat paw. This is where I learned the difference. That bone is getting stuck on my finger. I'm going to have ink on my... I'll put a little cat paw here. I'm using this piece where I'm going to pop out that circle, and it's got a little dash around it. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to add the paw to this frame, there and there, and then flip this over, add in some dimensionals. Add this to the front of my card base. And then I'm going to come in and I'm going to add, I'll add this cute little cat here. I'll put some dimensionals on my cat. He's going to get added right here to the inside of my circle here. And then again, we're going to use the labels. I'm really getting my hands inked up. Always be at your side. Pull that off. Flip that over, add some dimensionals to this. And then this is going to get added on right here with another little gold heart. Anyway, really fast, cute, quick cards. And you can change them up depending on which dies you use from your sheets of dies, and you get 8. I mean, you get a lot of dies, so you can actually use them for other cards too. In the end, I'll have 8 cards with cats and dogs. If you haven't checked out the kits, you should. They're a great opportunity to stamp some fun projects. Everything that you need comes in the kit. The only thing I brought in was a scissor, which I don't think I even used. I did bring in this ink pad, but I actually got the spot, which works for your inking. And you probably wouldn't have as much ink on your fingers if you actually used the spot. So if you haven't already done so, you may want to sign up for my newsletter at www.DDStamps.com, where I send out tips, tricks, and techniques each week, sharing my love of Stampin' Up! And the products that we have. So check out the kits. All of them are listed online in the online store. It's a great way to go and actually see what's in stock and what you'll get almost immediately. So I hope you have a great day. Thank you. and we will speak to you soon.